In this video, I will show you how to monitor and chat with visitors surfing your store in real time, impress them personally, and ease them into your WordPress store. So search this plugin, Zendesk Chat, and install and activate and use this plugin. Guys, if you are facing any problem to use this plugin or you need any query how to connect your website with this plugin, so comment. I will create a new tutorial about this plugin. So firstly guys, install, activate and give it a try and use this plugin. So hopefully guys you like this video. This is a very short and basic video to give information about a good and better plugin which is the important for our website and business. So today we discuss this Zendesk chat plugin. Using this plugin guys, you can chat with your visitors easily. So thanks for watching and check out my WordPress learning playlist. Thanks for watching.